What's up, guys? I just went to Target and I bought 2 Next Destiny booster packs and 3 Dragons Exalted. And I got a Rayquaza EX tin, which I'll be opening in a different video. Alright, so let's open the Next Destiny booster packs first, since there's only 2 of them. Alright. You have Hippopotamus, Ferroseed, Blitzel, P-Dove, Fungus, Frillish, Mienshao, EXP Share, Reverse Hollow Shinx, and a rare Hollow Cinccino. Next Destinies. Right. Alright, let's see what we got here. We got Roltz, Pansear, Vanillite, Muna, Kricketot, Luxio, Kricketune, Nuzleaf, Reverse Hollow Semi-Pour, and a rare. Oh, nice. Shaman EX. Not bad. Not bad from random pack. Alright. I also opened the Dragons Exalted. I got 3 of these. The next Destiny is actually my brother's. Dragons Exalted are mine. So, you gotta shame me. I have a Next Destiny booster box video soon, so please subscribe for that. I actually did it already, but I'm opening these first probably. Alright, so we got Roselia, Magma. Oops, cards keep falling. Magmar, Fungus. Alright, one second. These cards. Okay. Apom, P-Dove, Blend Energy, Rescue Scarf, Sock, Reverse Hollow Almoma, whatever. A rare, Hollow Hydreigon. Not bad. Okay, next Dragons Exalted. Rayquaza. Whoa, this opened up terribly. Got Magikarp, Minccino, Fungus, Spheal, Drifloon, Vigoroth, Sock, again, Gabite, Reverse Hollow Trubbish, and a rare Ninetales Hollow. Last Dragons Exalted booster pack. Slack Off, Houndour, Gatita, Baltoy, Hoppip, sorry, Aldino, Vibaro, Blend Energy, Reverse Hollow Dino, and a rare Dustox. So, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.